Nice to meet ya.
You girls should better make this trip interesting.
I don't know about you girls, but I can't wait to finally meet my crush.
Hey! Girls, I'm getting a sugar daddy on this trip.
As for me, I'm going to party like never before.
Hey girls.
Hi Sam.
Please go. Where are you going? You didn't tell me you're going out.
Babe, remember the girls' hangout I told you about?
Oh my god, that's true. Wait, so babe, you'll be back after 5 days?
Yes, babe.
And you just want to live like that? Come on now, eh? You want Konji to kill me? Abba.
Right. Okay, babe, I'm coming. Girls, give me a moment. Let me, before we leave.
But babe, you should have done this since now. You're supposed to be leaving in 2 minutes. Our will soon be here.
We'll be done in 30 seconds. We never get past that.
What? Jesus is Lord.
Let's go.
That's a fuck, man.
We'll be done in 30 seconds. We never get past that.
How should descend so they not
Who are you? Who be you? Who are you? You color. Who? Where do you come from? Who said
Èmi mọ ojú mi ti rí, ọmọ ohun etí mi ti gbọ́.
This is
the reason we lost so many lives. Ouch!
Babe, the Uber will be here in 30 seconds.
I am in severe pain.
The earlier you learn to be who you are, the better it will be for you. May God not allow them, make them kill you. They never show you say you be mumu. You are a mumu man. You are a mumu man. And they never leave you. They have left you.
Sam, what is this? No, tell me. What kind of disrespect is this? Are you mad?
I don't even know this.
You don't even know what. You're very stupid.
Babe.
Don't you ever call me babe in your life again, you fool.